कि हर महिलाओं को जो भी दिक्कत होती थी, इतना मतलब खर्चे नहीं उठा पाते थे, तो उनके खर्चे के लिए यहाँ से मिले हैं 2100 रुपये मिलने लग रहे हैं। तो जो उन्होंने वादा किया था वो पूरा किया।
असम पाओ बेटा।
कितने रुपये देते हैं अभी?
1100।
महिलाओं के आर्थिक सशक्तिकरण की दिशा में एक ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाते हुए हरियाणा सरकार द्वारा दीनदयाल लाडो लक्ष्मी योजना की शुरुआत की गई है, जिसके तहत गरीब महिलाओं को आगामी 1 नवंबर 2025 से 2100 रुपए मासिक आर्थिक सहायता प्रदान की जा रही है। 10 फरवरी 2026 को दीनदयाल लाडो लक्ष्मी योजना के तहत 9,22,452 महिला लाभार्थियों के बैंक खातों में सीधे 193 करोड़ रुपए ट्रांसफर किए गए। अब तक इस योजना के तहत 4 किस्तों में कुल 634 करोड़ रुपए जारी किए जा चुके हैं।
1100 रुपए जो पर महीने महिलाओं को देती है सरकार, उससे आपको काफी मदद मिलती है।
हाँ, मदद मिलती है बेटा।
पंडित दीनदयाल उपाध्याय की 109वीं जयंती के मौके पर 25 सितंबर 2025 को लॉन्च किए गए दीनदयाल लाडो लक्ष्मी मोबाइल ऐप के जरिए 10,51,029 महिलाओं ने आवेदन किया। इनमें से 9,22,452 महिलाएं पात्र पाई गयी। फरवरी 2026 से हर महीने 1100 रुपए सीधे लाभार्थी के बचत बैंक खाते में जमा किए जा रहे हैं, जबकि 1,000 रुपए सरकार द्वारा चलाए जाने वाले फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट अकाउंट में रखे जाएंगे।
हर घर हर गृहिणी योजना के तहत गैस सिलेंडर रिफिल करवाने वाली हमारी लगभग 12,62,000 बहनों के बैंक खाते में जो गैस का सिलेंडर है उनको 500 रुपये में मिलेगा, ऊपर की राशि उनके खाते में पहुंचाई जाएगी। हमने दीनदयाल लाडो लक्ष्मी योजना आज तक 9,22,452 हमारी लाभार्थी बहनें उनके खातों में 193 करोड़ रुपए की राशि आज पहुंचाई गई है।
महिलाओं के जीवन स्तर में सुधार लाने के लिए हरियाणा की सैनी सरकार वो हर कदम उठा रही है, जिससे हरियाणा की बेटियों को हर कोने में सम्मान मिले।
First of all, Rahul Gandhi doesn't have any moral right to come to Telangana because after 26 months also, he failed to question Revanth Reddy's government regarding the promises which the Revanth Reddy as is a PCC president and the Congress party done during pre-poll in 2023. 26 months are over. Nothing has been done. He has come to address the DCC president's, the closing ceremony of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And at the same time, Rahul Gandhi has come to collect money because Revanth Reddy himself said that Gandhi family is in dire need of, the money. And 1,000 crores. He has appealed to all the DCC president to contribute for benefit of Gandhi family. And at the same time, in the neighboring state of Kerala, where elections have been held, funding should be done from Telangana. This is what Rahul Gandhi came and then he told, and then he has addressed on that. At the same time, Revanth Reddy also persuaded Rahul Gandhi to become the Prime Minister of this country. The Bharatiya Janata Party claims that don't make a laughing stock of it because the Prime Minister post is not vacant. Narendra Modi's government is there. Narendra Modi ji is there. He will be there for next few elections. So the dream of becoming Rahul Gandhi as the Prime Minister will not be fulfilled for next generation also. This is what we have to say on that. He should question, he should ask Revanth Reddy about the promises. He has done nothing on that. We claim that Rahul Gandhi has come just to collect money, and as on today, no one has really answered on that. Where is the question of becoming Prime Minister? Where is the question of making so much money here in that? Because the people of Telangana are in great chaotic situation because of the so much of promises they have made. People are looking, the middle class family, the lower middle class family are getting threatened by Revanth Reddy by taking one crowbar and axe and then dismantling the buildings of low and middle class income groups. This is what we have to say. So the days are numbered for Revanth Reddy. He would definitely, the seat will be vacant here, and Bharatiya Janata Party candidate will become the chief minister in 2028 assembly elections.
Sir, one said AICC leader Sonia Gandhi elected to Prime Minister. What the stand of Prime Minister? Iran, Israel, what
See, the war situation, no one is expecting, and no one wants to have this kind of war situation on that. But as far as Iran is concerned, there are so many terrorist activities which have been a breeding place there, and whole world, including West Asia and Europe countries, are supporting Israel and US on that. So through diplomatic channels, Modi ji has also stopped the war, Ukraine and Russia war. There are so many Venezuela war also. So at this time, every country is looking for the Modi ji as the Prime Minister of India and as a world leader on that. So we hope that the peaceful situation will arise on that. So whatever Sonia Gandhi writes and whatever Rahul Gandhi writes, it really doesn't matter on that, because when Ayatollah Khomeini has been assassinated, has been killed, many people in Jammu and Kashmir have been celebrating on that. Many Congress people are condemning this act. But at the same time, when Indian Jawans and Indian ordinary citizens have been killed by Pakistan terrorists in Pulwama and the Pahalgam, none of the Congress party leaders or the so-called the pseudo-secularists and pseudo-intellectuals have really condemned on that. So we hope that this war will come down and then peace will prevail, and all the people who are been stranded, Indian people who have been stranded all over the globe, Modi ji's government has been very instrumental and then making all kind of best arrangements for them to have a safe passage to their destination places.